Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, sportsmen, students, scholars, officials, professionals, ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Today we are going to discuss the power of music. Music is the soul of human life. Ever since times immemorial, music has consoled, encouraged, invigorated and enthralled men. But the importance of music today is more than ever before. The pace of life is getting faster each day, and due to this our lives are full of stress. At times, these emotional hardships are rise to such an extent that one feels the need and urge to escape from all the mundane realities and bitter relations and move to a heavenly abode to get peace of mind. Music has a universal language. How? As we discussed that in the ancient time, when there was no instrument for playing, man was listening the music of nature. Man was healed by the music of nature, which is not bound by reasons and religions, classes or countries. It has the power of raising the spirits of a broken man and ignites spark of love in the heartless, soothing a troubled heart and spreading the message of brotherhood and humanity. It is proven that if we want to create humanity and humility for releasing the tensions and burdens, music plays an extraordinary and uncommon role in maintaining the body temperament. Sometimes there are a number of examples we have quoted when animals listen the music, these animals also release some hormones that become the cause of increasing the milk in their teats. Like that, if man listens the religious music, if man listen the spiritual music, it fills him or her with great energy and power. But for sustaining and maintaining the energy in body, It is really greatly needed the image of God, the picture of God, by which we contain, sustain and maintain a lot of energy for a long time, endlessly. We can use our energy in the productive works, in the creative works. So music is a part of our life right from childhood to death. These are songs to celebrate the birth of a child, marriage of a young person, and to mourn the death of a departed soul. Different kind of music are played at the different time, place and action. The nature of music, on some extent we can say it is natural and reverberatory, but the most reverberatory, permanent, unchangeable and stable music that plays in our heart. The nature of music is such as we can enjoy the music of other communities and countries easily. The sound of musical instruments can force anyone